In this video, you are going to see how to make this creative slide in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's get started. Here I have already taken a blank slide. Go to Insert, Shape, pick a rectangle shape and drag it over here and make sure it covers the whole slide. Go to Shape Outline, make it no outline. Now again go to Insert, Shape, pick a text box and drag it over here. And let us write here Forest. Select it, change the font to 166 point and change the font to Montserrat Extra Bold. Place it in the center. Click on the rectangle and hold down the Ctrl key and select the text box. Go to Shape Format, go to Align Center and Align Middle. Then it will be in the perfect position. Again go to Insert, Shape, pick a text box and drag it over here. And let us write here The Secret Life of Universe. Select it, change the font to Laura and go to over here character spacing, go to more spacing and let us choose 16 point and click on OK. And click on at the center. Let us increase the text box size and place it like this. Now click on the rectangle and hold down the Ctrl key, select the text box and select this text box also. Go to Shape Format, Merge Shape, choose Subtract. Now go to Shape Effect, go to Shadow, let us choose Offset Center. Again go to Shape Fill and let us choose this fill color, light gray background to darker 90%. Now go to Insert, go to Picture, go to this device. Let us choose this picture, click on Insert. Click on the image, go to Picture Format, go to Crop, go to Aspect Ratio and make it 16:9 and click on Outside. And make sure it covers the whole slide. Go to Animation, go to Add Animation, choose Grow and Shrink. Choose Width Previous, go to Animation Pane, go to over here, click on Effect option. Go to Size, choose 130, hit Enter. Click on Auto Reverse, go to Timing and choose Until End of Slide. Click on OK. Now click on it and send it to back and let us watch the slideshow. And here you will see this is looking perfect. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.